What's going on? It's your Uncle Sawyer here with Buckeye Auditing and Transparency, aka The Bat, and we're coming up to the Henderson and High Street Post Office in Columbus, Ohio, and let's see if they have Poster 7 and respect our right to film in public, because that's the question. And you can be towed from here. We got plenty of post office boxes, as you can see. It'll be closed with the semi-annual payments. You got your self-service right here. And here's our Poster 7. We got some few people up in here now.
Sir, are you with the news, the post office?
I am a journalist, thank you.
We cannot have you in here with a live feed camera, sir.
Yeah, you can, it's your rules.
Mohammed!
All your different mail slots.
Went that way. Oh, no, he's over here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. If you need any information, our office we have a media person downtown at our office. All right.
Okay,
you
well,
cannot take pictures in here.
it's your rules.
This is a federal building.
It's your rules.
Okay. Okay.
So
yes, sir.
it's posted right there on the wall. I can show it to you.
Okay.
Would
so-
you like to see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go- let's go see it.
I respectfully ask you to leave, sir. If you have any questions or anything, contact our media person.
Well, right here is where it says I'm allowed to do this. Right here, photography for news, advertising, or commercial purposes. Photography for news purposes may be taken in entrance lobbies.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe. on the
Maybe
land
is
at all.
allowed. Is
Okay.
allowed.
Maybe.
So I'm
It's
allowed.
maybe.
So I'm not doing anything
Okay,
wrong.
I ask you to leave, sir.
But how do you know I don't have business here?
Okay.
I'm trying to get a stamp. Thank you very much.
Okay, but
And
you don't have
there's a line.
The camera, there's a camera. If you need
it's
stamp,
perfectly allowed.
Okay, so
Call your postmaster if
Okay.
you have any questions. But
Okay.
everything that I'm doing is completely
Okay,
legal.
well, first of all,
I have permission.
from
So,
who?
From the Constitution, the First Amendment.
Okay.
So,
Okay, so
the Bill of Rights says I'm allowed to do this.
okay, what I'm saying, you have to leave, sir.
Why do I have to leave?
Because this is federal property. This
And
maybe
who pays for the?
you
who
have
pays, who pays federal?
we all do.
Exactly.
We all do, but there are limitations. You have a right,
No.
but there's a limit. There's a limit to
I'm
your right.
I'm
if
filming
you're well
content.
educated on that, sir,
I'm filming
you
news
have a right.
content
There's
for
a
a
limit to
story.
your right. And I respectfully ask you to turn off this camera and walk out, sir.
Oh, okay.
If you want to buy stamps, you can go and buy stamps.
Yeah, and I
Okay.
plan on it, but there's a line, so
Okay,
I
but-
figured I'll do this
but
too.
then you
But I
don't
have
feel-
purpose here.
you don't-
I do have legitimate business here, and I
ask
am
you to leave,
conducting.
sir. Please, sir.
Don't touch my camera. That's
Okay,
assault.
then
That's
stop.
assault.
You don't
That's
have my
assault.
authority to film
You're
me.
in public.
Okay,
You're in
you
public.
don't have my authority to film
You
me,
are
sir.
in public.
You don't
Let
have
go
my
of my
authority to-
camera.
No.
You are in
Let's
public.
walk out.
Call the cops then.
No, you
call the
call-
cops.
you call the
Call the
cops.
cops.
You call
Call
the
the cops.
cops.
You're assaulting me
You
right
call
now.
the
You're
cops.
damaging my
You
equipment.
call the cops,
You're
sir.
damaging my
Walk out,
equipment.
sir.
You're damaging my
Okay,
equipment.
I
Call the
respectfully
cops.
ask you to
Call the
leave, sir.
cops.
Please.
Call the cops.
I respectfully
Call the
ask you.
cops. All right, and I'm gonna get license plates of everybody that comes in here now. So, all right. You wanted to play it like that? You wanted to touch my
Okay,
stuff?
okay,
What's your
so-
name? What's your name? Muhammad what?
So
Muhammad
I
what?
respectfully ask you to leave, sir.
And
You're filming people. They haven't given you any right to film.
they're in
them.
public. They're in
Okay.
public. Know your laws.
You need.
Know your laws.
You need.
They're public.
You need
They're public.
everybody's consent to film them.
No, I don't. This is a public building,
Okay.
paid for by public.
Okay. And
So
so
if
if
they-
people who are coming here are part of the public. If they don't want you on your camera, they don't know the purpose for which you're filming this. You have to tell people why you are filming them. Okay? You have to tell people
No,
why
I
you're
don't.
filming them. Sir, don't film me.
Oh, I'm going to film you.
I'm not
Don't touch
giving
me.
you right.
Don't touch me.
I'm not
Don't touch
giving.
me.
You
Don't
are
touch me.
invading.
You are my
invading
space.
my right.
You are my
You
space.
yes, because
you are my
you are
space.
invading my
You
privacy.
are my space.
Okay?
Thank you very much. Don't touch my camera.
Then don't touch me
That's
either.
assault.
Okay?
That's assault.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
All right.
Don't touch
If you
me.
want, you
This is
call the
assault.
cops. Don't film me.
Yeah,
I do
all
not
right.
give you the right to film me.
We have called the police.
Good.
So-
All right.
I will talk to them
I
when
do
they
not
get here.
give you the right to film me. It's my private right.
No,
you have
you
to
are in
tell
public.
me why you are filming me.
You are in public.
It doesn't matter.
You are in
Okay,
public. Don't touch my camera. I will
Okay.
be. I'm going to need your post office, sir. Don't touch me.
Go downtown 850
Don't touch
Twin
me.
River.
Don't touch me.
850 Twin River.
I'll be there
Get
too.
out,
Don't
sir.
worry.
All right.
I'm waiting here. The cops have been called, so I'm waiting for them. Thank you very much. You will be on YouTube later. Don't worry. How do you like that? Is my lens broke? Did he damage my stuff?